about the ABCD constants, that is determination of generalized constants for transmission lines. Short transmission lines, that is in short transmission lines we know that the effect of line capacitance is neglected. Therefore, the line is considered to be have a series impedance, that is R and X. The figure shows the circuit of a three-phase transmission line on a single-phase basis. You can observe this is a phase and this is neutral. Vs, that is sending end voltage, receiving end voltage, Is and the IR, receiving end current, and resistance and inductance, that is equal to impedance. Okay. So here Vs is equal to these two equations you need to remember when you read the topic, that is ABCD constants of transmission line. Okay, the two equations, this is the two equation, that is Vs is equal to Vs vector is equal to A vector Vr vector plus B vector Ir vector. Is vector is equal to C vector Vr vector plus D vector Ir vector. From this we need to find out A, B, C, D. Okay. Here these two equations will be similar for even in pi method, T method and also long transmission lines. Whatever the ABCD constants, if you consider, these two equations will be common for all the cases. So here from diagram we can say that Is is equal to Ir. Okay, Is is equal to Ir vector. Next, Vs vector is equal to what we can write? Vs vector is equal to, we can write that Vr plus Ir, or we can write Is. Okay, because Is equals to Ir. Ir vector into Z vector. This is equation we have written by seeing the diagram, that is this figure. Okay. Comparing equations 3 and 4. Comparing equations 3 and 4. From this, always we need to remember that if we are writing Is, it should be Is equation, then it should be in terms of Vr and Ir. And if we are writing the Vs equation, then it should be in terms of Vr and Ir. From these two equations, first compare equation 1 and 4. Okay, Vs vector and Vr. That means here nothing is there. 1 into Vr. Okay, so A vector is equal to 1. And what about here? Ir into Z. That means this value is B. So B is equal to Z. And what about the third equation and second equation? You compare. Okay. If you compare, C value is 0 and D value is 1. Okay. So C vector is equal to 0 and D vector is equal to 1. Okay. If you observe what we got by comparing these equations, here you can see that A vector and D vector is same. So incidentally, that is A vector is equal to D vector. Here A vector D vector minus B vector C vector, if you do 1 into 1 minus Z dash into 0 is equal to 1. So you will get always A vector D vector minus B vector C vector is equal to 1. Okay. Even they ask questions that prove AD minus BC is equal to 1. Okay. Next is a medium transmission line in the T method. In this method, we consider the capacitance and we have assumed to be concentrated at the middle point of the line, and of the line resistance, reactance are lumped on either side. Okay, that is resistance and reactance is divided, lumped together. All this resistance and lumped together this side. And here all the resistance and reactance lumped together towards the receiving end side. Okay. it has been divided. Okay, Vs is equal to AVR plus BIR, Is is equal to CVR plus DIR. These two equations what we have discussed before now. Okay, from this figure you can observe Vs vector is equal to what we can write. Vs vector is equal to V1 plus Is into Z by 2. Okay, from this diagram or this figure we can write Vs is equal to V1 vector plus Is vector Z vector divided by 2. Okay, this is the equation 3. When you compare the equation 1 and 3, we cannot compare because it is in the terms of VR and IR. So we need to convert this in terms of VR and IR so that we can find out A and B. Okay. Next, from this figure, what we can write V1 is equal to VR plus IR into Z by 2. Okay, VR vector plus IR vector into Z vector divided by 2. And what about IC? In this IC is equal to, here this is the outgoing current and this also outgoing current. So IS is equal to IC plus IR, but what we want IC value, so IS minus IR you will get. Okay, so IC is equal to IS minus IR, that is equal to V1 vector into Y. So Y is a shunt admittance here. Y vector is equal to V1 value, what we got, VR vector plus IR vector Z vector divided by 2, substitute. Okay, so now we know the value of IC. Is vector is equal to what? Is vector is equal to IR plus Y dash VR plus, that is IC value. Okay, Is vector is equal to nothing but IR plus IC. Okay, because this is the incoming current and these two are the outgoing currents, that is IC and IR. So Is is equal to IC plus IR. First they have found out the IC value and next they are substituting in the equation. Okay, this is IR, this is whole thing is IC value. Okay, Is is equal to Y vector into VR vector plus, if we take out this from these two, IR as common, then 1 plus Y vector Z vector divided by 2. This is the equation 4. You can observe here VR and IR. That means this equation we can compare with the standard equation, which is equation 2. Okay, here. That means C and D. Okay, what is the value of C here? We can say that directly by comparing these equations. C is equal to Y vector and D is equal to 1 plus Y vector Z vector divided by 2. Okay, now we came to know C value and D value. Next we need to find out A and B. Okay, so Vs vector is equal to, we came to know that V1 value. Okay, we came to know that V1 value, just to substitute. Okay, VR vector plus IR vector Z by 2. Okay, here you can observe VR and this is a IR vector Z vector divided by 2. This is V1 value. Okay, this is V1 value. And this they have written as it is Is vector Z vector divided by 2. Now we need to substitute the value of Is. Then what you will get? VR vector plus IR vector Z vector divided by 2 plus Y vector Z vector VR vector divided by 2 plus IR vector Z vector divided by 2. Okay, when you substitute the Is value, okay, Is value, what you will get? Here Y vector, VR vector, Z vector divided by 2. That is what I have written here. And next case is IR into 1. IR into 1 Z vector divided by 2. So IR Z vector divided by 2. Next IR into Y Z vector divided by 2 and here also divided by 2 here. Okay, so IR vector, Z vector square. Here also Z, here also Z. When you multiply Z square, 2 into 2, 4. Okay. Here IR Z by 2, IR Z by 2 will become IR into Z. Okay. 2 get cancelled because 2 times of IR into Z by 2 will be. So 2 get cancelled. You left with only IR into Z. So if we take out common from this equation, so here Z vector plus Y vector into Z, that is Z square divided by 4. Okay, I have not written Y here, Y vector. Okay, when you take out common VR, then 1 plus Y vector Z vector divided by 2. Okay, this one, Y vector Z vector divided by 2. Okay, just to take out common VR and IR so that you will get the equation 5. You can observe this is in the terms of this is in the standard form. Vs vector is equal to A into VR plus B into IR. Then this is the value of A and this is the value of B. So what we can write, A is equal to 1 plus Y vector Z vector divided by 2. A is always similar to D. So if you observe also, this one also same value you will get. If we have done mistake, you will come to know in the final, because A vector is equal to D vector should be same value. Okay, B vector is equal to Z vector plus 1Y, that is Y into Z vector divided by 4, and C vector is equal to Y vector. When you, that is a vector D vector minus B vector C vector, if you do, you should get the value 1. Then only what you have done, what you have found out, A value, B value, C value, D value, then we will come to know that it is correct. So when you multiply A and D minus B into C, so you will get 1. Okay, you can observe 1 plus Y square Z square divided by 4 plus YZ minus ZY minus Z square Y square divided by 4. Here these two get cancelled and these two get cancelled. What you left is 1. Okay. Here they have done A square plus B square plus 2AB. Okay. So you will get this one, A square plus B square plus 2AB. 2AB means 2 into Y into Z divided by 2. 2 get cancelled. So you will left with YZ. Okay. All get cancelled. You left with only 1. This is the T method. Next is a medium lines nominal pi method. In this method, we will consider the capacitance, and it is divided into two halves, one half being concentrated at the load end and another half at the sending end. Is Z vector is equal to R plus JXL. Series impedance phase. Y vector is equal to what? J omega C. Here from equation we can write that IS is equal to IL plus IC2. You can observe this is the incoming current. IS is the incoming current and IC2 and IL is the outgoing currents. Okay. Next, from IS is equal to IL vector plus Vs into Y by 2. That can be written. Okay. Because IC2 is nothing but Vs into Y by 2. IL vector is equal to, here this is the incoming current, these two are the outgoing currents, so IR plus IC1, IR vector plus VR vector Y vector divided by 2. Here IC1 is near to the VR, so VR into Y by 2. Okay. Vs vector is equal to what we can write? Vs vector is equal to VR plus IL. Okay, total IL into Z. IL into Z. Okay, Vs is equal to VR plus IL into Z. Now we need to substitute IL in terms of VR and IR. So we know the value, that is IL value, substitute. Okay, IR vector plus VR vector Y vector divided by 2. So what you will get in the equation? VR plus if you take out the common VR, so 1 plus y vector z vector divided by 2 plus IR vector z vector. Then this can be written as A, this is nothing but A, and this is nothing but B. Okay, if we observe with the equation 1 and the standard equation, that is Vs is equal to AVR plus B into IR. Okay. Next, Is is equal to what we have written here, IL plus Vs y divided by 2. Then we know the value of IL and we know the value of Vs. Just to substitute, okay. IL value plus Vs into y by 2. Vs value they have substituted here. First IR plus VR into y by 2 plus y by 2, that is they have taken outside and they have substituted the Vs value. Okay, Vs value is this one, Vr into 1 plus yz by 2 plus Ir into z. Okay, so now IR plus VR vector divided by VR vector y divided by 2 plus multiply. Okay, VR, that is VR into 1. Okay, VR into 1, VR y by 2 plus VR y square, because we will multiply with this. Okay, y by y, you'll get y square VR 2 into 2 4 z vector plus again you multiply with this. Okay, so y vector, IR vector, z vector divided by 2. So now we got in the terms of VR and IR. Take out common. IR, if you take out common, 1 plus y, that is y into z divided by 2 plus VR vector y vector 1 plus y vector z vector divided by 4. That means A, and that is C into VR plus D into C into IR plus D into VR. C into, this is the value of C and this is the value of D. Okay, Is is equal to CVR plus DIR. This is in the standard form. So we can write this as a D and this as a C. Okay. Now you observe D value here, what we got in the Is equation and what we got in the Vs equation, that will be similar. Okay. Comparing equation 1 and 2 with those of 3 and 4 equation, A bar where D bar is equal to, that is 1 plus y vector z vector divided by 2. Next, B bar is equal to z bar, C bar is equal to y bar 1 plus y bar z bar divided by 4. We know the all the values A, B, C, D. So AD minus BC is equal to, you will get 1. Okay, when you multiply, you'll get 1. This is a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus z into y, that is what, z into y minus z square divided by 4. These two get cancelled and these two get cancelled, you left with 1. Okay. In next class we shall solve the problems and also we shall discuss about the long transmission line, that is a rigorous method. Okay, we have discussed only short transmission line and medium transmission line. Still the topic long transmission lines is left and we shall discuss in the next class.